AI has completely changed my life and it could change yours too. I'm making $2,000 every month selling digital products using AI, and I only work for 2 to 3 hours a day. If you are tired of your 9 to 5 grind, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Alice. I'm a stay-home mom. A few months ago, I was stuck at home, stressed, and unsure how I could earn money without leaving my kids. I tried a few things online, but nothing really worked. Then I discovered a simple AI strategy that changed everything. Not only did I start making money, but I also created a real business selling digital products, and I'm doing it with zero special skills. And you don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need a degree. And you don't need to be a designer or a writer. I'm going to show you the exact blueprint I use step by step so that you can start selling digital products using AI and earn $2,000 per month or even more. I'll show you how to create the product, where to sell it, how to scale it, all in a simple way and beginner friendly. So if you're ready to stop trading time for money, stay with me because I'm going to break down everything in detail. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your own AI digital product business even if you have never done anything like this before. Before we go any further, let me explain what a digital product is, especially for anyone who might not have an idea what it is. A digital product is exactly what it sounds like. A product that you sell online, but it's not physical. So you don't need inventory, shipping, or packaging. You create it once and you sell it over and over again. How wonderful can that be? It can be anything like printable planners, for example, something like meal planners, budget planners, or even workout trackers. You can also create templates like social media templates, Canva templates, or even resume templates. Another option is ebooks, simple guides that help people solve a problem. For example, you could create an ebook on how to start a small business, how to create healthy meal plans, or how to build a daily routine. You can also create digital courses, even a small mini course, maybe teaching one skill. For instance, if you make content about how to lose weight, you could create a mini course on how to lose belly fats within 30 days. And finally, you can create checklists and guides, something like a 7-day TikTok growth checklist, a Zanzibar travel planning guide, or a guide on how to start freelancing. It could be anything. The beauty of digital product is that you don't have to be an expert. And this is where AI will come in handy. There are so many AI tools that you can use to create digital products. But for this video, I'm going to use ChatGPT. I'll be using the free version because I know many of you might not want to pay for a tool yet. So here's the plan. We are going to open ChatGPT and ask it to generate digital product ideas for our niche. We want ideas that are easy to create and sell. Here is the exact prompt we are going to use in ChatGPT. Give me 10 simple digital ideas that I can create and sell in your niche. So here you're going to add your niche. Each idea should be easy to create, beginner friendly, and have a clear target audience. For each video, include number 1, product name, short description, who is it for, number 4, why it sells, and also suggest price range. So let me give you the exact prompt so that you can be able to use it for yourself. So now we let ChatGPT generate for us 10 ideas. And here we go. Now that we have the 10 ideas, the next step is choosing the best one. And here is the simple rule I always use. Choose a product that is easy to create, has high demand, and solves a real problem. For this video, I'm going to choose a 7-day meal plan because it's easy to create, people need it, and it sells good. Next, we need to verify the demand for the digital product. And do not skip this step. It is very, very important. The best place to check demand is Etsy because it's one of the biggest marketplaces for digital product. So what you are going to do is search for the digital product ChatGPT suggested on Etsy. We want to see if people are already buying these products. Once on Etsy, check how many listings exist of a similar product. If there are many listings, it means the product is in demand. You're also going to check the reviews the sellers have. Reviews shows actual sales. The more reviews a product has, the more demand there is. And number 3, check how the products are priced. This will help you set your price later. And here is an important point you need to note. If many people are already selling a product, That's actually a good thing. When you see many people selling a certain product, it means the idea works. Remember, you are a beginner. You don't want to create demand from scratch. You want to sell something that already exists and has a proven market. Now that I have proven the product is in demand, the next step is to create it. You don't need to hire a writer or to be one. We are going to use ChatGPT to do it for us. So in ChatGPT, I'm going to ask it to act like an expert and create a printable 7-day meal planner. So the exact prompt is going to read like, act like a nutrition expert and create a printable 7-day meal planner for busy moms, working professionals, and people who want to eat healthier. The planner should include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for each day. Also include a shopping list and a note section. Format the planner in a table with clear headings. Keep the language simple and easy to understand. And here is the results we got from ChatGPT. Very good quality. Now that we have the meal planner content, the next step is to design it. We're going to open Canva and search for a meal planner template. Don't rush and pick the first template you see. Take your time and look around until you find one that looks professional and appealing. The goal is to make something people will want to buy. Once you find the best template, copy everything you got from ChatGPT and paste it into Canva. Then edit the template to fit your meal planner. Adjust the tables, replace the text, and make it look clean and organized. When everything looks good and you're happy with the design, download the file. Now you have a finished digital product that is ready to sell. The next step is choosing where to sell your digital product. There are so many platforms that you can use. We have Etsy, we have Standstore, Gumroad, and many more. You can choose any platform you want, but for this video, we are going to use Etsy. Why Etsy? Because as a beginner, Etsy gives you a huge advantage. It already has a lot of traffic. Every day, thousands of people come to Etsy looking for digital products like this. So we want to leverage that free traffic. The first step is to create your listing. You need a strong product title, images, and a good product description. For the description, you can still use ChatGPT. If you're not sure what to write, go to your competitors, look at other sellers who are selling similar product, and see what they wrote in their description. You can even copy a competitor's description, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to rewrite it into a better version. Remember, Etsy is a search engine, so you need to include keywords that people are searching for, so your product can get found. Since you are new and probably don't have an audience yet, you need to rely on Etsy traffic. That's why keywords are so important. The next step is to set your price. I recommend pricing your product slightly lower than your competitors, maybe $1 or $2 cheaper. This doesn't mean you are undervaluing your work. It's a beginner strategy to help you get your first sale and build reviews. If your product looks better and you price it lower than your competitors, people are going to buy it. But even with Etsy traffic, you still want to bring in your own audience. Create content on any platform you are active on. This could be Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or even Pinterest, and drive traffic to your product. For example, since you are selling a 7-day meal planner, you can continue creating content around healthy meals and meal planning. Then you can tell your audience that you created a meal planner to help them plan meals easier, and it's available, and then you're going to give them a link. Just add the link in your bio or in your video description, and people can click it and buy. One social media platform I love for beginners is Pinterest. Pinterest is amazing for promoting digital products because it's also a search engine. What you do is create pins related to your product. Use the right keyword and link the pins to your product listing. Pinterest traffic is evergreen, meaning your pins can keep getting traffic for months or even years. Now that you have one product listed and you're getting traffic, the next step is to scale. To make $2,000 per month, you don't need to create 100 products. You just need a few high-selling products. So your scaling strategy should be to create more similar products. You can start with maybe 2 to 5. The products should be in the same niche or related. You can use bundle offers where you sell several products, maybe 2 to 3 products together. And also you can increase your product over time once you start getting reviews and you are doing good. Reviews are very important because they build trust and help your product rank higher on Etsy. There are three ways you can get reviews. Number one is you can create or offer a small discount for your first customers. Number two, you can add a thank you note inside the product, or you can send a follow-up message asking the customers for reviews. Once you've made your first sale, don't stop there. Keep creating more digital products using the same AI process. You can also expand to related niche. For example, if we started with a meal planner, so maybe you can create a grocery list next, recipe book, meal prep guide, weight loss tracker, and even healthy snack ideas. So there you have it, the complete blueprint of how I make $2,000 per month selling digital products using AI. You don't need any skill, you don't need money for tools, and you can start today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Comment below and tell me what niche you are planning to start in, and I'll help you pick the best digital product to sell.